All right, today I'm gonna show you how to get a heavy generator like this one down by yourself, guys, or up by yourself. And today we have one of our massive generators that we need to power our RV. So I have to get this down, but it's gonna be near impossible by myself. So something like this, I don't wanna break my back or hurt myself over time. So I'm gonna show you the easiest way to get a heavy generator down and up by yourself in this video. First, the easiest way is going to be using ramps. So I place them right beside the wheels. If you don't have wheels, that's fine as well. But the Predator 3500s that we usually use, they have wheels, and that is our preferred generator. But sometimes we have to go a little bit heavier, and usually the heavier ones have these bigger wheels. So I just want to line the two ramps up. You want to use ramps. Harbor Freight, about $80. So I have two ramps. I get right in between them. I can lift this with my shoulders. I can use minimum effort as I start to bring these down. So I just want to start to slowly work this down here, making sure I stay in between. I can even stop them using the grip on the ramps, as you see here. Work them down on the ground. All right. All right. With this particular generator, just to help myself out, I like to turn it around, and then you're going to need a strap. Now, this is the easiest way by yourself, minimum damage to your back, loading up. So I take the strap. If you come around here, you'll see. I take the strap, then I go through the crossbars here. So I just want to get it underneath here, both sides. And you see I have the wheels in the back, my bars in the front. I'm around both sets of bars. So right here. Okay, usually I wrap this between the two bars here. Then I wrap around my hand to get leverage on them, both sides. Step back just a little. You'll be able to see right over my shoulder here. I got both here. I have the wheels. Now this isn't easy, but it's an easier way to do it by yourself, especially a heavy one. So you get right here on the edge. You just start bringing it up. Bringing it up. You can work it closer. And then I can drop these if I wanted to. I have the leverage here. And this one has the bars. I can bring it up. I can even get to my handles here. I can lift it up. And then I can maneuver it back around. So as I was saying, you can leverage it around to get you set up for next time. But it's more legs with this than it is back. And that strap is going to be needed, especially if you have a monster like this. Now, like I said, we usually use the Predator 3500s, a lot lighter, a lot easier, a lot quieter. But every now and then, we have to bring the beast out or borrow one. So the same thing, if I needed to bring it down, I'll just do it again without the straps. Lift up, load it up on my wheels, bring it, and done. So if you like this video, if it helped you out, make sure you hit subscribe below, join the Max Your Journey tribe, learn all about the RV rental life.